Hey guys, today I have a review of the Moyu 5x5. I bought this for $33 on the cubicle.us and measures 62 millimeters across, which is smaller than the 64 Shingsha 5x5. And it's available in black, white, primary, and will be available in stickerless with the pink side. The stickers are standard Moyu shades, which I do enjoy. Here you can see me doing some algorithms and some moves, and I do lock up a bit, but I don't lock up any less on my Shingsha, so the corner cutting and the total fluidity on this cube is pretty nice compared to the Shingsha. The corner cutting is 45 degrees. The reverse corner cutting is inconsistent, but can do 3/4 of a QB, and it does cut through the middle layers around 1 QB line to line, however you want to call it. But in the very middle, corner cutting is only 3/4, or else it would lock up like this. So the flaws for this puzzle is, again, as I said before, the centrifuge for the corner cut will lock up, and now you're seeing me solve times 1 minute 29 seconds, which is my average since I haven't been practicing. But this cube has definitely dropped my time and set my average 5 out of 12 and my string going. I haven't done an average of 100 on 5x5 yet, because I just don't have time. So I really enjoy the feel of this, and my only other flaw is this can pop more than the Shingsha, but they all kind of explode when they pop, so, but not too much more, it's just a little bit more, which is pretty annoying. Corner cutting is way better than the Shingsha, and overall performance is really good. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.
So what I'm trying to say is that